Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Colombo Security Conclave holds Tabletop Exercise. Recently, the 4th edition of the Tabletop Exercise of the Colombo Security Conclave took place in Kolkata. This tabletop exercise was conducted by the Indian Coast Guard. The primary objective of the exercise involved the formulation of robust standard operating procedures or SOPs for all the authorities concerned. The conclave saw the coming together of delegates from Bangladesh, Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles, Sri Lanka and India. This tabletop exercise was conducted subsequently involving all stakeholders. Apart from presentations, discussions were held on several topics pertaining to challenges in the maritime domain such as tackling threats, marine pollution response, search and rescue and damage control at sea. Significantly, the Colombo Security Conclave was formed in 2011 as a trilateral maritime security grouping of India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. The conclave aims to make maritime security, marine pollution response and maritime search and rescue priorities for the region. The roadmap of activities was expanded in 2022 and adopted by the member countries, that is India, Sri Lanka, Maldives and Mauritius, with Bangladesh and Seychelles participating as observer countries. The coming together of the 6 Indian Ocean region countries indicates the development of sub-regionalism on a common maritime and security platform and is significant in a wider global context as well. Coordination and collaboration amongst the maritime neighbors hold the key to maritime safety and security in the Indian Ocean region.